So, Dharmesh, one of our earlier videos had a thumbnail which said, "How will India take 20 wickets?" I think our prophecy came true. Unfortunately, at the cost of India's WTC chances.
पूछो गंभीर को पूछो अभी क्या क्या कर रहे तुम, क्या क्या दिमाग में चल रहा है, कौन सी स्ट्रेटेजी लगाओ। प्रसिद्ध कृष्णा ले सकता है क्या 4 विकेट 5 विकेट?
और क्या मिल गया कुलदीप को बिठा के?
स्टॉक बॉलर लेके जाओ, आप 33-35 साल के डेब्यूटेंट्स को लेके जाओ और फिर एक्सपेक्ट करो तो नहीं होगा। और वो भी कैसी कौन सी, ऐसा नहीं कि चलो विद ड्यू रिस्पेक्ट टू श्रीलंका की टीम अच्छा खेली, सोनल दिमुशा 100 मारा, बहुत बढ़िया, बट वो कैलिबर के बैट्समैन नहीं थे कि आप उनको आउट नहीं कर सको। वो लेवल के बैट्समैन, वो कोई वीवीएस लक्ष्मण राहुल द्रविड़ नहीं थे जो कि आप उनको यू नो फॉलो ऑन देने के बाद, प्रेशर में लाने के बाद भी आप 20 विकेट, आई मीन वैसा तो कुछ नहीं था। ऐसा कोई ग्रेट टैलेंट
वीवीएस और राहुल ने तो द ग्रेटेस्ट एवर बॉलिंग अटैक को हराया था, which is comprised of मगरा, गिलेस्पी, ली, वॉन। तो ये तो खैर ये तो बॉलिंग अटैक भी वैसा नहीं था,
ये तो नहीं था।
Having said that, Sonal Dilunsha was brilliant throughout the series. I think he was the sole difference between the two sides. By the way, Gary Custon is the coach of Sri Lanka. I think you can see some of that rub off.
Full marks to the Sri Lankan team for their attitude. They did not give up. उनका ठीक है, उनके wickets गए जो भी है, they did not give up. They kept fighting, and very casually towards the end you could see कि यार nobody is doing anything. I mean, Gill finally decided कि मैं जाके बोल करता हूँ या फिर वो जायसवाल को लेके आया and all, but it was too late by then.
No, everyone, even Lahiru Kumara, ये मतलब 90 बॉल खेला है वो. He is clearly blocking and blocking and blocking. They were very clear that they are going to put up a fight, which they did.
Yeah. And they didn't have to. See, my problem is not that they put up a fight. वो तो हर टीम करेगी. आपके पास जवाब ही नहीं था उसका. You weren't making it that difficult for them. Sutar was coming on, एक ही टाइप की बॉलिंग कर रहा है वो, तो वो they've gotten used to it by now. नंबर 10 नंबर 11 बैट्समैन भी अगर आपकी बॉलिंग को आराम से प्रेडिक्ट कर रहे हैं तो व्हाट काइंड ऑफ अ बॉलर आर यू? आई मीन अकेला जडेजा थोड़ी ना करेगा सब कुछ यार. यू नीड both ends to. And what happened to सिराज, what happened to, I mean ना आप यॉर्कर्स डालो ना, कुछ नहीं तो T20 की बॉलिंग पे आ जाओ, लाइन बदल लो, बाउंसर्स करो, कुछ तो करो अलग. जब नहीं हो रहा है यू कांट जस्ट कीप गोइंग थ्रू द.
उनके लास्ट 4 बैट्समैन ने लिटरली आई वुड से 50 ओवर खेले.
हाँ, that's what I'm saying.
50 over last 4 batsmen, that's too much on day 5 wicket.
Day 5 wicket with so much pressure you are following on. आपको बचानी है गेम. वो टाइम पे तो आपको you were, I don't know आपको क्या, why couldn't you just keep attacking the stumps or do something else for God's, I mean you could have gone negative line डालो, कुछ तो करो. I was waiting, I was getting bored. मुझे नींद आ रही थी यार मैच देखे. फर्स्ट टाइम मैं टेस्ट मैच देखते देखते मुझे लगा कि जाने दो, अभी कुछ और देखते हैं.
In fact, I felt Siraj was underbowled. 15 ओवर दिए उसको सिर्फ.
That's what I'm saying. Sutar was coming on again and again and was doing the same thing. He didn't even change the bowling. See, this is a captainship thing or coach. I don't know who's taking all these calls. आपको कुछ तो करना पड़ेगा ना. 5th day पे अगर आपको रिजल्ट चाहिए.
Things happen. Simple.
Nothing. You can't wait कि वो गलती करेंगे हमको विकेट मिल जाएगी. ऐसे थोड़ी होता है.
I think a brilliant chance lost. I know India were in a difficult situation. अगर वो खुद बैट करते, फॉलो ऑन नहीं देते, तो टाइम कम था, रेन का impending रेन का fear था. But so as to get things moving, you didn't, as in you enforced the follow on. But then once you did enforce the follow on, I think they were waiting for things to happen rather than making things happen. Like
yeah, they didn't. Yeah, absolutely. And it got out. See, there was a chance where they had 4 wickets in hand. Unka abhi tak, they were still trailing by 30-40 runs. I think in that much time only they should have cleaned up the tail. I mean, where is your time the Anil Kumble specialist cleaning up the tail? फटाफट. ये थोड़ी होता है यार कि आप उनको फीड कर रहे हो, अब उनको खिला रहे हो, 50-50 ओवर तक खिला रहे हो.
अब ये बहुत डिफिकल्ट हो गया इनका क्वालिफाई करना. एंड आई एम आल्सो वंडरिंग, आई मीन इफ इंडिया डिजर्व्स टू क्वालिफाई आल्सो. To be very honest, with this bowling attack,
नहीं,
are you even expecting to qualify for the finals of a World
no,
Test?
I agree. This bowling attack doesn't deserve to be qualifying, but I still have my doubts, and I said this before that I'm still not convinced about the way weighted system and percentile is working, because we played 11 matches, won 5. Okay, अब श्रीलंका को देखो.
See, the problem is, though. See, the problem is, वो तो the big three, Australia, England, and India will always play more, right? But ऐसा भी नहीं है कि किसी ने कुछ सिर्फ 2 मैच खेल के आ गया. अभी the least number of matches played by someone is South Africa, which is 4 matches. का भी अभी 3 मैचेस होने वाला है ऑस्ट्रेलिया के. I think once you've played 7 to 10 matches ना, वो थोड़ा फिर आपको you have to take that with a pinch of salt. वो तो इशू होगा. अभी क्या कर सकते हैं. So I'm saying you have to make the best of what you can. See, South Africa played just 4, and with 3 South Australia matches they'll play 7. But when they reach the final of WTC, they won, na?
Yeah, but see, South Africa is number 2 right now. They played 4 matches. They won only 3 matches. ठीक है, percentage में 75, but their points is only 36. But they are number 2.
अपने मैच खेला ना, वो तो ऐसे ही करना पड़ेगा ना.
तो फिर तो we are doing a mistake by playing 11 matches. England तो बकवास कर रहा है. अगर 14 मैच खेल के उनका percentile 29 पे है, जबकि वो 5 मैच जीते हुए.
नहीं, but then the problem is they've also lost more, na?
Yeah, they've lost 8 matches.
Played haven't lost. I think, see, वो
तो अब ज्यादा खेलोगे तो ज्यादा हारोगे भी, ज्यादा ड्रॉ भी होगा.
Equal distribution, unfortunately, test matches में तो होगा नहीं. But this, I think, was one way to get people excited about test cricket. Secondly, it was another way to ensure that the dead rubbers are not dead anymore.
Bangladesh is 1 above India.
They played 6 matches and they won 3.
We won 5. So we have 68 points. उनके 40 points है. फिर भी वो percentile की वजह से वो हमारे से ऊपर है.
Yeah, but the problem is that they have defeated Australia. I mean,
same amount of points.
आपके points बढ़ेंगे ना.
नहीं, points कितना, 1 bonus point मिलेगा ऊपर की टीम को हराने के लिए. कितना bonus point?
That's what's happening with them. So, to be very honest, तो इंडिया ने भी किसको हराया है? बांग्लादेश और वेस्ट इंडीज को हरा के वो 5 मैच. It's not as if India has beaten big teams.
श्रीलंका ये सीरीज तो जीत ही गए ना 1-0 से.
So बस India, how they won the 5 matches? They defeated West Indies, Bangladesh, and Sri Lanka. So even if I go by that count, India doesn't deserve to be in the finals. Now they're playing New Zealand, which is like a true blue tough series, and they're playing Australia at home, which still is a very tough series. अब हराओ ना और आ जाओ फाइनल में. The fact that mathematically there is still a chance. If India defeats 2-0 New Zealand and 4-0 Australia,
यार हमारे पास वो बॉलर्स ही नहीं है जो न्यूजीलैंड में जाके परफॉर्म करे.
अब तुम अगर 6-0 नहीं जीतोगे 7 में से, then तो anyway आप जीत जाओ तो अभी भी आपको चांस है. So technically India's reached the finals just by defeating in New Zealand and Australia. That's it. So I think, see, that it favors everyone. But up to care, I don't think with this bowling lineup they can. Bumrah has to be fit and up and fit.
नहीं, I think you have to look beyond Bumrah ना यार, बहुत हो गया वो. Anyway वो टेस्ट मैच नहीं खेलता है वो.
So if you're saying look beyond Bumrah, so this is beyond Bumrah. This is what you have. That's it.
Then I'll say let's go back to Bhuvi. Bhuvi तो IPL में तो कम से कम परफॉर्म कर रहा है. न्यूजीलैंड जाएगा तो he'll move the ball यार. He's a wicket taking bowler. वो डेब्यू याद है.
But huge dent to India's chances now.
Yes.
I think for all practical purposes, India is not reaching the finals.
Yeah. And I tend to agree what you are saying. Yeah, probably they don't even deserve to, because the way they are composed, their composition, their attitude is not helping them. So
this is where Virat's captaincy will be missed. Rohit's captaincy will be missed.
Yes.
They would make things happen.
Yeah. Right now, we are missing them as players also.
वो तो बात ही छोड़ दो.
तुम देखो 2 मैच 4 इनिंग्स खेला, जायसवाल क्या उखाड़ लिया. We top of the order has to deliver, no यार. Finally वहां से शुरुआत तो वहां से होती है. आपके पास माना चलो अभी सहवाग नहीं है, गांगुली नहीं है, अभी सचिन नहीं है, पर कोहली को भी बिठा दिया.
Blowing them off.
हाँ, बट एक प्लेयर देख लिया ना, एक प्लेयर से नहीं होता ना काम. नहीं जीता सकते वो सब.
Jurel, I think, but special mention to Jurel. I think a century and a half century, he did a good job.
He did a good job.
I think Pant at least made things happen when he was batting, for whatever it's worth. So he did a good job. I think Rahul in the first test, was decent. So Jadeja, whenever he got an opportunity, he made some useful runs. Jadeja picked, I think, 5-6 wickets in the 2 test matches that he played. So I think
batting wise also our second half is only the disappointment, because जैसे इनकी tail टिक गई 50 ओवर, हमारी नहीं टिकती है हम, and that was crucial. If you would have added another 100 runs, हमारे पास finishing होता ना अगर, would have added, तो वो follow on उतना ज़्यादा भारी लगता उनको.
Yeah, but nonetheless, a good few test matches, some more coming up.
Yes.
England and Pakistan. The second test is now on as we speak. So interesting test cricket will continue to come, and let's look forward to that match also, and let's catch up again.
Yes. Next episode में hopefully न्यूजीलैंड के I don't know एक आध मैच जीतने के बाद हम करेंगे. Let's hope कि एक तो जीते अभी. I don't know. Let's hope.
Yes. Okay.
See you.